You are live. Okay. Chat. Link I will share. Signal. I had to send. I'm sending a text message for me. Okay. So what is that? Select me the screen. I just wanted to check that screen down. Which one you want? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think you can stop sharing. We can delete it. Hey, hi viewers. Yeah, so welcome back to another live. So let's wait until we have few viewers and then see. So I hope everyone are having a great time here. So today we have a special guest. I would not say him as a special guest, but yeah, since we are discussing about MultiMagix UI desktop, so I thought Rishikesh will be the right person to address. So yeah, thank you, Funny. Thank you for welcoming me. Let us wait for the participants. We have two participants. Sure. Okay. Yeah. So whoever joined, you can say hi. Hi, Masood. Yeah, are you audible? First thing. So is our voice clear? And are you able to listen us? I mean, are you able to listen us very clear? Is that okay? Audio is good? Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, so Masood is having a very interesting issue. So we'll be discussing that. Yeah, okay. So let's wait for a few more members to join. We have 3 participants. Okay. Hi, Yasin. Yasin is here. Yeah, hi, Yasin. Samina here. Okay, so we have 5. Are they from the same team? Are they belong to the same team? Or yes. So Masood, Yasin. Okay. Samina is a different team. She's from Android team. Yeah. Okay. So let's wait. Nasreen and others. Hi, funny. Nasreen here. Okay. No, okay. Yeah, hi Nasreen. Hi. It's nice to see old people. Yes. I think this looks good. So doing it together, somehow the screen is live. Okay, guys. Yeah, so let's wait for a few more minutes. So if everything is okay, then yeah, we have 8 subscribers. Let's okay. I think all the members join. No. I don't think so because we have Masood. We have Yasin. Yeah. So whoever joined, just say hi. So we just ensure everyone joined from the respective team members. From the respective team members, then we can go ahead and yeah. Hi, Asif there. Oh, okay. Hey, okay. Hi. Okay. So I think this can be send it to anyone from other teams are interested, like appendicite team, maybe better can share one link. Okay. This was unexpected, right? So no, just throw it. Shall I inform? I'm just pasting the link. Okay. This is good, right?
Mega Interns 2.0.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's wait. Okay, Raji joined. Thank you, Raji. Hi,
Okay, hi,
Subhash.
Subhash. Nice. So, how are the teams divided? Funny, like,
Yeah. So,
whom do we have in Android team and whom do we have in desktop team?
so Nasreen, Navina,
Okay.
Samina, Nandini.
Wow.
All four belongs to Android team.
Okay.
And then Asif, Ashraf,
Okay.
Masood,
Okay.
Yasin. So all
Yasin.
these,
Okay.
yeah, Yasin. So all these
Okay.
four on desktop UI teams.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. So I think we are good, Rishi. I think we can
Yes, I
start.
think we will start.
Yeah. Hey, hi. Good evening, everyone. So thanks for joining the live. So we'll keep it very simple and short. This live.
Mm-hmm.
So the main agenda is yes, like you have been going through a lot of videos and we are having different meetings. And hi, Navina. So we are going to different meetings and then we have been addressing a lot of issues regarding the installations and then for both the teams, UI team and Android teams. So firstly, I will discuss about what are the issues team has faced so far. So I will just reiterate it. Okay, what are the issues faced so far, where we are with respect to addressing the issues, and are the issues, is the fix is proper, are the issues still coming? We'll try to have a recap of few things, and then we will go to the MultiMagix UI team, and then we'll discuss about the what needs to be exactly done in the sprint one. So we already shared a few videos, so maybe we'll just quickly glance through it, and then we can then the stage is open for the Q&A. So
Okay.
for the MultiMagix Android team, I will be the live will be the next week.
Mm-hmm.
It's because this week they need to spend a lot of time on Android installations, running it on mobile device, running it on emulator,
Yes.
and few issues are coming. We thought we resolved it, but I just see Nasreen is telling some issues getting consistent.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see. We'll overall discuss what is happening.
Okay.
Can you share? Yeah.
Give me a second, guys. I'm going to share
Yeah,
this.
guys. So please uh, post questions in the chat when I feel. So we'll address it soon. So I hope everyone can you zoom it a bit. Okay. Yep. This is good.
Is this visible? Can everyone see this?
Yeah. Guys, if the screen is visible and it's good, so please say yes. Okay.
Thank you, Masood.
Yeah. Yeah. So let's start with the MultiMagix UI desktop. So actually, yes, in the back end, when they're trying to do this node index .js, actually, so they're getting this, they're not able to find this multimagix.node path.
Okay. It might be the link.
Yeah, it's a
linker issue.
it's a linker issue. So what I told them is, okay, you take this path, desktop multimagix Windows lips, so and you need to add this element variables path.
Okay.
So because all the FFmpeg, because this our particular backend depends on FFmpeg libraries, so those libraries path is not known. So even though we mentioned it in the CMake, but during runtime it is not aware of the paths. So to know that in the runtime the path we updated this. Okay. So team, everyone, I hope MultiMagix UI team, I hope this fix is consistent and you are not facing the issue. Can you say yes? I mean, is this fix is working for everyone who are faced this issue? If you say yes, then I will move on to the next issue. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Yasin. So yeah, so this is the famous issue. It is not yet resolved. So one of the team member Masood, so he's trying to do an npm. I mean, he's trying to build. So we have CMake in the backend, and CMake is not able to detect the any compilers.
Okay. So this is related to this node add-on.
Yes, so MultiMagix desktop node add-on. So we're trying to build like npm install. So it is then that it will use CMake.js. So that CMake.js internally use CMake list.txt.
Okay.
But for some reason he is not able to. This is it looks good, and we spend a lot of time, and then still somehow all the tools that VS Build tools, Node.js, everything got we reinstalled. Somehow this issue is not yet resolved. So this issue is yet to be resolved. So for some reason, the Node add-on code is not getting compiled in case of in one of the laptop, in specific muscle. So this is quite interesting. So this needs some time. So Masood, sorry, we'll get back to you. Yeah, so I see Masood is.
So I can see that there's this, the C compiler identification is unknown.
Yes, but the compiler is there, but still CMake is. So we updated all the parts, a lot of things, but still it is not able to identify.
Okay, interesting.
And yeah, so few team members face this issue, like electron issue. Like this is what I heard from the team members is they reinstall Node.js and then they build it again and they clean all the files. Version issue, something some specific to the Node.js installation. So they reinstalled, they deleted all the package log.json files, all those files in the code, and then they just install it again. So so yeah. So team, so all these three issues. Apart from this, did I miss any other issues which I noticed, which I was not aware or which I was kind of maybe I overlooked? Can you just say okay, all issues covered, or it is any issues? Yeah, no, okay. No means we covered all.
I mean, we covered all.
We covered all, and we did not cover. Okay. Yeah. So let's
Asif.
Asif. Okay. So let's move on to the MultiMagix Android team issues.
Okay.
Yeah. So here actually team is facing like abruptly build is failing. So okay, thank you, Asif. Yeah, there are no more issues. So this is coming to Android team. So suddenly build is failing. So daemon is getting crashed. So a lot of issues are coming. So what I told is you just increase the RAM size of the WSL at least 6 GB.
Okay.
But recommended is 8 GB, but they have 8 GB RAM on the host. So 2 GB for those, 6 GB for the WSL. I have 32 GB, so I gave 16 GB. So after this, they're able to build. But I just recently just saw a message from Nasreen. So they're still, even though they increase the RAM size, somehow it is getting failed. Still, the build is getting abruptly failed.
So it is not consistent.
It is not consistent. So the fix, whatever, maybe we need to put 7 GB or something. So actually, guys, for Android development,
The minimum
is like you need to go for 8 GB RAM. Okay, that is the minimum. So because of we are having 6 GB, 8 GB, sometimes we are getting lucky and sometimes we are getting not lucky. So we will work on that as a team. We will see how to address these things. So for now, if you are getting, even though if you are saying 6 GB and then you are still facing the issue, let's try to increase it for 7 GB and give it a try. But we'll see like can we minimize the memory occupied during the build process. So we'll try to minimize that. Yeah.
So the worst case option would be like you need to install the specific tools, whatever which is required for this project specifically.
Yes.
Instead of installing all the default Android Studio environment setup.
Yeah. So maybe we can decrease a bit the build.gradle. Maybe we need to decrease few dependencies to see build takes less amount of space. Yeah. We'll work on it. Yeah, but for now, I think still issues are coming. But yeah, try to increase the RAM size and then let's see. My bad. Sorry. So next is about there is a one more issue came like while installing the Android Studio, it is still a graphics card issue. So UI is not coming. So what we did is we just did a WSL update and then we upgraded the Ubuntu sudo apt update. Okay. So with this we are able to resolve this particular studio.sh issue. And there are few Git credentials issue. Actually in Ubuntu that HTTP page is not getting supported.
Okay.
So what happens is in Ubuntu when you install sudo apt install Git, so it is installing the latest Git version. So the latest Git version will not support the HTTPS. So what you need to do is you need to generate the SSH keys and updates in the settings, or you need to generate password. So I will share this process how to generate SSH keys and how to update those into your GitHub account. So next time you clone, you don't need to give the password, or it will not see any issues. So I will update this process. Maybe we can have a separate meeting, and then I will update you how to generate SSH keys, and then you can clone the code without any issues.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Say, hi, Prashanti.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are the issues we have faced from the Android team. So three issues. One is this build is getting crashed and increase the RAM size. And second is this graphics issue, studio.sh, and one is the Git issue.
Okay.
So yeah, so I'm just reiterating such that so everyone are clear on the fixes, whether it is temporary fixes or permanent fixes. So Android team, did I miss any other issues or did I cover?
Everything.
Yeah, did I cover all the issues we faced that we came across, or am I missing any issues? So please let me know, or any issues which I had to address in the
Yes, guys.
stream. Yeah,
If you please remind us whether we covered or not covered the issues which we haven't covered. Okay, that's great. We covered
yeah.
everything.
From Android team, yeah, from Android team, do you think we covered all the issues? Or are you missing anything? Of course, yeah. Sreen or any other team members can just confirm me. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So let's move on to the next topic. Okay, all covered. Okay. So let's move on to the next topic, which is about yeah. So this is specifically for MultiMagix UI team, but yes, other teams can still definitely listen what is how the development is happening, the UI development for the desktop.
It is good to understand.
Yeah. Yes.
Good to understand what other teams are doing because you guys are working for the same product, right?
Hmm.
So it is good to understand what other teams are doing.
Yeah, so this is how the current desktop application looks like. So if you go to the file section, so you need to select the files first. All these files I already selected. So I can select by selecting upload here, and then I can select all these files. And then I can go to tools and I can convert, choose file, choose from files, and I get all these files and I can click convert. Okay.
Okay.
So guys, this is the first feature. So which says convert. So like that, you need to add three features here. First one here, second one here, third, fourth. So in the sprint one, you need to add four features. So what are those four features? So first is video to audio. So the thing is, you need to rename this feature now video to audio,
Okay. Okay.
and then you need to here. Let's say if I select this, you need to in the drop down only currently AAC is given.
Yes.
So in the drop down, you need to add other options. So what are the other options you need to add is these are the options. You need to add MP3, you need to add AC3, you need to add OGC. So you need to expand the drop down. And also here you need to add a video player on the top. So because if you select any file, so first I want to play that file. So you need to add a video player here on top. Or what do you suggest, Ruchi? Or whenever you select file, let's say choose from files. So whenever you select, so the video player comes here, right, on top of this.
Yes. It is like this funny. Suppose you selected a video file. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So what I would suggest is what we can do is if you keep a whole video. Suppose let us assume that the video is 1920 something a size of a desktop size, a desktop video size, but the screen what we have is it is very less, very small. Okay. So what it will do is, as far as the video elements, whatever I use in HTML and all, they'll compress everything. And let me take a small example. I'll show you, and that way you'll be even much more familiar with what I'm going to say. Suppose let us assume that this is a video player. Okay. Okay. So what it will do is, irrespective of the size, it will string the video to like this. Okay.
Okay.
So instead, this what we figured out is we can follow this layout. Means video will display here. Video will be displayed here.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, you can say that there'll be a kind of play option kind of thing with a little bit of overlay. Overlay is nothing but uh, kind of a blackish shade on that, or else something like a dark shade on the video. If a user wants to play the video, or else we can also add an option like autoplay option. Else, if
Okay.
user wants to play it, he can click on this and he can play that. After that, we can add some other controls as you are seeing here in the screenshot, whatever you have
So
provided.
this video player should come on top of this convert media on top of that. You're telling.
No, no, no. That
Oh,
video play should come on top of convert to. If
okay.
it is on convert media feature, we are
Okay. Okay.
that is on different context, right? So you're showing
Okay.
video and you're showing the feature in
Okay.
between.
So before converting, a video player should come on top of the convert.
Uh,
So you need to expand this entire box accordingly.
exactly. So
Okay.
what we'll do is we'll keep the video player. We'll keep like this. We'll keep this part very small only.
Okay.
But if user wants to play that video and if he wants to enlarge that video, we can give some options like
Okay. Like full
play it in
screen.
full screen. Or something.
Okay.
We
Okay.
can do those kind of stuff.
Okay. So we'll start with that. So and we can keep improving.
Exactly.
So
We can start with this.
yeah.
This is a good start.
Let's start putting some video player or regardless of the size,
Hmm.
and then just start integrating. Then we'll see how to we'll improve it.
Exactly.
So how to best fit, what should the layout should change. All those things we'll take in the next step. So
Exactly.
start integrating some video player there, and then provide some screen there, and then yeah we'll see how to shape up that.
Exactly. Exactly. So, and we have to make sure that the video player what we are using it should support in all environments.
Correct.
Means you should make sure that this video player is going to play in irrespective of the platform, whether it might be Mac OS, will be Windows or Linux or whatever, because it is a
Yeah.
desktop application, right?
Yes. And
So-
one more point, Rishi. So, can you go up? Yeah. So here you should be able to select all type of input files. So some video players only support few video types. So
Okay.
let's say you select sample.mp4.
Mhm.
So if you go up here,
Mhm.
so actually what I'm telling is so your video player should be able to support all these video types.
Okay.
So because let's say if your video player is only supporting MP4 and MPG,
Mhm.
so user cannot select the other options.
Okay.
So whatever video player you are integrating here,
Mhm.
ensure at least, let's say if not all, at least try to ensure that it supports at least 4 to 5 video files.
Okay. The
Uh,
standard is the browsers or whatever the technology you are using, they will support the standard extensions.
okay.
If it is like if you take this WebP and some raw files, you cannot play
Yeah.
those raw files.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, you might be seeing some issues with WebM. Go, please. Yeah, maybe
This
some
WebM
React
won't-
players,
yes.
WebM or WM, it may not support.
Yes.
Support in the sense you can select it, but
You cannot play that.
you cannot play that. You can still go ahead and use that file, and then you can apply conversion feature.
Yes. Yes.
But it is not playable on the video player. So take a note of that.
Yeah.
So first integrate the video player,
Mm.
and then ensure it supports basic video types. Okay.
Yeah.
And then now you add this drop down menu,
Yes.
and then you can play. So just to ensure you are able to select each option explicitly, and then you
Yes.
click convert,
Mhm.
and then you are able to convert. So
Yes.
so currently the conversion files are not coming under my conversion page.
Okay.
It is going to downloads folder.
Okay.
So we need to adjust that here first.
Mhm.
So maybe or in the backend code, or we need to change something. So I think we'll work on that.
Okay.
We'll
Got
work
it.
on that.
Got it.
Yeah.
So, and as you picked up an interesting point, that is, you just noted down that if a video player is not supported, sorry, if a video kind of that WebM extension and all,
Mhm.
if that is not supported, then you can display a small pop-up, or you
Correct,
can just
correct,
keep a
correct.
message that this
Mm.
type of video is not playable, kind of.
Mm.
Or else the worst case option, or in future what we'll do is we'll write our own video player where we can play all the extensions which we are
Correct.
supporting.
Sure.
So, yeah.
So yeah, team. So just quickly, just telling. So let's say, so here is the flow. You select the file. You select this.
Mm-hmm.
So now you need to have a video player here. You need to support all the options here. And if you click convert, so currently it is not showing any progress.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's the UI.
Yeah,
So
I got that.
so just think of adding some progress bar or some buffer ring, telling user that conversion is in progress.
Okay.
So currently that is not there.
Yeah,
So
got that.
so add that also. So we didn't mention that in the mockup here,
Mm-hmm.
but the thing is like you try to add that option also.
We should not do things
Uh,
behind the scenes, everything. I
yeah.
mean, we should make sure that we need to inform each and everything to the user. I mean, we should almost mention that okay, we are performing this progress or some task is happening behind the scenes. So please wait for a while.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is the flow for the first feature. So you need to rename this video to audio, and then you need to here
Okay, choose the files.
add more options. You need to
Okay.
put some video player here,
Okay.
and then if you click convert here,
Okay, choose the files.
add more options. You need to
Okay.
put some video player here,
Okay.
and then if you click convert, you need to show some progress bar or some buffer ring.
Okay.
So that's
Got
your choice. And then finally, file should go into the my conversion folder. Okay.
Got it. Got it.
So this requires some little bit of backend support also. I will let you know that
Okay.
because we are automatically telling that go ahead and do it in downloads folder.
So
Maybe from downloads folder we can get back to the my conversion.
okay. So I have a question. Like here, you told that if we click on the convert option, we wanted to show a progress bar or loading kind of thing.
Yes, yes, yes.
Is that I mean, are we getting that progress from the back end or we just wanted to show the loading?
Yeah. So actually what happens is, so let's say if you go here, you select this and then if you select this, click convert. So now nothing is coming. So something, so yeah, this pop-up is coming. So until this pop-up comes, you can run some progress bar or buffer rings.
Okay.
I think progress bar is a bit tough to start with. Maybe as per Rushi, you can suggest like some buffer ring, whatever you're doing for mobile.
Okay. So what I mean, with the requirement, what I understood is we need to display the loading screen till the pop-up came. The
Yes.
pop-up,
Yes.
the pop-up is visible. So we can keep a flag, like if the pop-up is visible, just hide the loading screen.
Yes, yes.
So I think that would be a good start.
Yeah.
For now.
Yeah. So team, so I hope everyone are following what we are discussing. So about the requirements and what is the flow. So we discussed about one feature, which is video to audio. So rest three are similar. But before going that, do you have any questions so far about the UI implementation for video to audio feature? So do you think you are not clear how to about the requirements?
Yes.
So first focus on the requirements. Are you able to understand what is the expected UI should be? So are you still not able to get any idea? So UI team, so please respond yes or no. So far, are you okay? Are you able to understand the requirements? If yes, just put some reply in the chat. So at least we'll be ensuring that okay team is able to follow and we'll move on to the next category, next feature, which is similar feature, but some replies would definitely boost us our confidence. I mean, it will help us. Okay, team is following, or we'll try to explain much more layman terms. So team, Masood, Asif, Ashraf, so are you following? Are you good? Are you able to understand? Yeah. Okay. Good.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Yasin, good. Thank you. So this is about the first feature, which is video to audio. So next feature is video to video. So just ensure you are not overlapping here. So let's say this is video to audio. So next is video to, it should come here.
Okay, that's a separate card.
That's a separate card. So that card should not overlap with this card. Okay. And next thing is similar. So you need to have a video feature, and here so here what happens is when you click, so here instead of here we have multiple options like AAC, all these things. So here we should only get one option like this: MP4 video codec is X265, audio codec is AAC. Okay. So this is the screen share is not visible.
once.
Okay. Yep. Sorry.
Let us reshare the screen.
Okay. Thank you, Yashi. Yeah. So let's do one thing. Yeah. Hello. Are you able to see the screen now? We just reshare it again.
Is that good?
The screen is visible. Yeah.
Okay, great.
So yes, so you can explain it. Yeah.
So what I understood from this is from your explanation that is these are drop down.
Yes.
Okay, there is the same video player which we were speaking on the above feature.
Mm-hmm.
So these are drop down. If a user clicked on this drop down,
Mm-hmm.
then we need to show a single option that is MP4 VX265
Mm.
AAC.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, and if user clicked on this convert, the flow is same.
The flow
We
is
have to
same.
show the loading screen,
Yes.
and after that, it should navigate to the my
Sure.
conversion page.
So if everything is same, just that in the drop down menu, we just show only one option.
Okay.
So because we are only supporting one type of conversion. Okay.
Got it. Got
So the flow is still the same. You go here. Let's assume this is video to video tab.
it.
You click here and then first you should choose file from.
Mm-hmm.
So choose files from. Yeah. So select this. Now here instead of AAC,
Mm-hmm.
we should be only selecting like MP4. So you should be seeing
You should
this.
give that option.
So you should be seeing this option here.
Okay.
Okay. And then you click convert, it will convert to the whatever thing it is.
Got it.
So rest is same. So if you click convert and some progress bar or buffer ring, then it should go to downloads folder or my so everything is same. Okay.
Got it.
And one more thing is in the files page we have some issue in the scroll bar because it is not visible. So team, please also address this if you have a time.
What do you mean by scroll?
I mean, see, let's say I have selected 6 files here.
Okay.
But few files are not visible. You can see it is cutting here.
Okay.
So just to ensure in the files tab also, let's say if you select more than 3 to 4 files, all the files should be visible. So currently there is some cut here. I'm not able to clearly see what is there. So
have you tried adding some 20 to 30 files, whether the scrolling is there or not?
I didn't try actually. So team, please also work on this scrolling thing, this files page. So in the tools tab, you need to have all the features. In the files page, you need to have all the files. Okay. Just remember while developing, you also fix this issue.
Guys, my suggestion would be in the files tab to list any files. I would suggest use flatlist. Use flatlist library. I mean, that is actually great. That is actually great to display these kind of file informations and all. It actually supports the scrolling. It has a lot of features and all inside and outside. So please prefer flatlist, using flatlist in this files page. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So this is about video to video. So any doubt in this future? So it's almost the same flow. Only thing is in the drop down option changes. So we still have video player. We will still having convert option. We will still only drop down the option changes. That's it.
Okay.
So it's all good here so far. We'll move on to the next feature. So in the sprint one, you need to implement 4 features. But it's not a hard deadline that you should implement all 4. But try to first complete one feature end-to-end flow, and the rest will be more of things, copy paste things.
Got it.
Just to drop down changes. That's all right. Okay. So yes, okay. So next is video extraction. This is also same. So here you need to add one more card now. So this is extract video.
So technically we have 3 features now.
3 features. So extract video, and then same here we'll be having the same drop down. Here we'll be having only one option here. There is no audio details here, and you click convert. It should convert.
Got it. Got it.
So and then it should show progress bar or buffering or whatever is relevant.
Got it.
So this is bit interesting. So here we are adding a feature called, this is the 4th feature in the sprint one.
Okay.
So this is audio to audio feature. So in this audio to audio feature, here we are adding, here we have to create a new tab.
Okay.
So here we have a, for example, if you
that video is also not visible.
Yeah. So this video tab is there, right? So let's maximize maybe. Yeah.
I think we have to rerun the application. I think.
Yeah. So actually there is a video tab here. So there should be a new tab here called audio tab.
Got it.
So while implementing this feature, you need to ensure you need to add this audio to audio card not in this tab. You need to create a new tab, and in that tab you need to add that. Okay.
Okay. So you have specific features for video and specific features for audio. Okay.
So that is the only additional thing here. So rest remains the same. You click here, you play here, you will see all these options, and then you click convert, and it's all the same story.
Got it. Got it.
So only difference is here you need to put it in a new tab instead of existing tab, video tab, and this video tab should be visible. For some reason, currently it's not visible here, so you can also fix this issue. And then issues wise, you need to fix these files, and then you need to fix these tabs.
Okay.
Video tab should be visible here.
Guys, I just wanted to ask a small question. Is the UI in the UI? Are you guys able to see the video tab?
Yeah.
Or else you're also getting the same UI like we are getting here. That is, the video has been hidden, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so you can see it or it is hidden.
See first of Masood, yeah.
You can see it or it is hidden.
Ashraf or Asif or Yasin, yeah, can you confirm that?
We can note it down as an actual issue because we don't know, right? If it is visible in your laptops and if it is not here, we just have to check here once because maybe in Funny's laptop didn't get the question. Okay, the question is there should be a video tab here. If you can see the screen,
Maybe you can show the
there should be a video tab here. Okay, in Funny's desktop application in his laptop, the video option is not. Oh, great. Yeah, that is what I was asking. Yasin, thank you so much. So we need to fix that as well.
Yeah. So apart from developing these 4 features, you need to fix 2 issues. One is in the file section, all the files should be clearly visible.
Yes.
And in the tool, this video tab should be visible.
So it's a responsiveness issue.
Okay. So sprint 1, we have 4 features. In video tab, you need to implement 3 cards. And in audio tab, you need to implement 1 card. So all the cards have a similarities. Only thing is the drop down option changes.
Okay.
And then audio should be in audio tab.
Okay.
Simple.
Got it.
And from the documentation point of view, I think for first sprint, maybe do you expect any HLD, LLD flow diagrams like that?
It is good if we get the flow diagrams at least.
So HLD, LLD, you don't need to worry because this is like mockup is already there and well established. So maybe you can get maybe some kind of written documentation like flow chart, what is happening when you add it, what is happening, like maybe some kind of flow diagram you can keep before implementing. So that way you will get an idea, okay, what is the expected flow. You just maintain a flow diagram and then in the next stage you go for implementation. So after implementation is done, you verify all the things. So please remember, whenever you added a new feature, existing feature should not be destroyed. So let's say you added 1 card here and then you added 1 more play card here. So this play card functionality should not be disturbed. Okay. So that kind of testing you need to perform. It's like a developer testing. So functionality testing, you need to ensure the existing functionality should not be disturbed. So, and how to work on these features, I have a suggestion. So Rishi, please correct me. I have discussed with our mentor also. So since people will be touching on different files or on same files, initially all the 4 members can work together and then develop all the features one by one.
Okay.
That is one option.
Okay.
Or each one can work on each 4. We have 4 features. Each one can work on 1 feature in this. But what I believe is, as a starting point, because most of the code you can reuse it, because one guy develops in one way, other guy develops in another way. So maybe the better way is you can sync together and work as a team and then implement each feature one by one. Okay. So that's what I feel. But maybe you can add few points there, Rishi.
Yeah, funny. What you told is right. So initially they have to work together.
It's still not visible. Masood, the screen is not visible.
No, no, no. It is not about the screen. It is about the video option.
Oh, okay, okay, my bad. Sorry.
Okay. So basically, you're right, funny. The thing is, at least for two, at least for one to two features, they have to work together.
Together, yes.
That way,
yes.
they'll be able to understand what is the flow of the
Correct,
what is the
correct,
flow and
correct.
what is the architecture. After that, they can divide, they can split out, and they can work on each individual feature.
Yes,
And
yes.
that way, at that time,
Mhm,
it is actually it'll add a lot of benefits because
mhm.
they know the architecture, they know where are the files, they know where they have to do the changes.
Mhm.
So they'll probably communicate and they will
Correct,
do the changes.
correct, correct.
So that actually helps. So initially, for one, at least for one, so at least for two features, they have to work together.
Sure. Yeah, that we'll figure it out as Rishi mentioned. At least for three features, work as a team, and then we'll see if we can separate or you can just work together for the rest of the features.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
So yeah, that's I think that's pretty much all for the UI team.
Great. Great.
Yeah, for the Android team, please remember. So we haven't shared what needs to be done for the sprint one for the Android team.
Mm-hmm.
So as of now, the target is by end of this week, try to complete building the Android application and running that application from your mobile and from the emulator.
Okay.
So the steps I shared so far is building the Android application and then running that Android application on the mobile.
Mm-hmm.
There will be one more video shared from me how to run that from the emulator.
Mm-hmm.
And the nature of the tasks for Android team is I'll give you a glimpse what it will be like for the next 2 to 3 sprints.
Mm-hmm.
So we are planning. There are a lot of responsiveness issues in the Android.
Mm-hmm.
So in the tab it looks like one, and in the core it looks like one feature.
Okay.
So those responsive things we need to fix, and there are a lot of UI issues are there.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not consistent. We need to fix a lot of issues,
Mm-hmm.
and then we need to implement few additional details in each feature. A lot of few things were missing.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to improve the existing Android application. We need to take it to the next level.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Got it.
So we need to fix the issues. It should be responsive. It should be smooth, and all the behavior should be consistent. And there is also possibility of automating the UI testing.
Okay.
There is a possibility because based on the bandwidth.
Okay.
So if they're able to complete all the things in 2 to 3 sprints,
Mm-hmm.
in last 2 sprints there will be Android automation also.
Okay. Okay.
So how all the clicks are up. That will be very 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 interesting.
Mm-hmm.
So this will be the nature of the work for the Android team. So in Android, all the features are already there, but there's a lot of inconsistencies across the features.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
we need to bring all the features into a consistency. The
Mhm.
behavior should be in a similar fashion.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
The desktop feature should be implemented for Android. It is like more of enhancements, more of making the UI more beautiful, like more appealing for and more responsiveness
Okay.
and Android automation.
Okay.
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 So this will be the nature of the task for the Android team. Okay. So we will be having a grooming session next Monday. So this week I will give some time for you to run all the applications because I know there are a lot of issues. Sometimes build is crashing, even though RAM size will increase. So let's figure it out all those things.
Okay.
And the Android process, it's like it took 5 hours for the team. So it's like a lengthy process. UI is like half an hour desktop. So mobile is very very very
Yes.
yeah, it's a lengthy and tedious process.
There'll be many resource issues and
Yeah,
yeah, we can understand.
understand that. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm
Uh,
glad. I'm actually happy that some people are touching the verticals
mhm.
and people are getting some broad scope and working
Rishi,
on.
yeah. Android team, do you have any questions as of now, apart from the existing issues? Do you have any questions from the work point of view, task point of view, or from the any? Please feel free to ask here in the Q&A. We are happy to answer. But see, one suggestion I would give is each team has its own significant.
Exactly.
So please don't compare with other teams or compare with all teams. So each team has its own value.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So building Android, setting up it's not easy, and developing features for UI it's not easy. So let's take everything as a challenge. Good thing is you so the entire team members can also see what is happening in the UI. They can practice whenever they have time. And
Exactly.
UI team can do whatever Android team. So it's like mutual respect give and take. But
Mm.
first priority is complete the tasks which is assigned to you in the sprint. If we have bandwidth, if we have time, we can just jump on to the other task, what is happening in other team. That's other way of learning. Okay, so that's I suggest that way. But each team has its own advantages, its own dedicated works, and then it's challenging in its own way.
Yeah.
So don't feel like okay that team, the teams, all those things. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So any other questions, team, Android team and UI team? If you have any questions, please feel to ask us now. Or if you don't have any questions, I think that's solved. And I think we covered it a bit fast today. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, team. Yeah. Any Q and A? Any questions you have now? Are we good? We can go ahead and end the stream. So any few responses. So how is the session now? So just want to have some friendly feedback. Don't say it's super. Everything is clear. Super, you're able to understand. Don't say don't, all those things. Give some genuine constructive feedback like Q and A. Like see,
That's good.
all we are doing is we are trying to communicate in a better way, as simple as possible, to make you things pretty easy. Okay.
Mhm.
So we are also learning. So it's not like we're experts in using this tube live or other things, but we are also learning. We are also growing. So if any genuine feedback, constructive feedback, we take with open hands and we'll improve it definitely in the upcoming sessions. And in the Google Meets also we will improve our way of communication. Okay. So if anything, you can bring us personally. But if nothing else for this Q and A, I think. So can we sign off for the day? At least say yes. Can we sign off now? Can we end the stream now? Team, all good? Or it is some few responses, few emojis, please. I'm expecting few from Masood.
No, he won't giving response because
Okay.
if you haven't seen
Asif,
this all right.
yeah. Asif, Ashraf, Nasri, Navina, Nandini,
Okay.
all good.
Okay. Yes.
I'm seeing only one response from Sheikh. Any other team members, please? All good. Uh,
Okay.
again, Sheikh. Again, Masood. I
He's an
think
active contributor.
I think Masood is more of okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Samina. Thank you, Yasin.
Yes, it's all good.
It's all good. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, yeah, Ashraf. Yes, yes. Yeah, all good. All good. Nice, nice. So again, if you have any queries, we have a separate groups.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can come contact us in that groups, and then we can also have some meets regularly. So try to complete the respective task in each sprint. So yeah, have a good sprint. One, it's kick-started.
All the very best.
All the
Guys.
very best team. So keep rocking. Always. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Bye. Bye.